negative series clipper. Negative series clipper. So here diode direction will be changed in this circuit diagram. Okay, so this is the circuit diagram for a negative series clipper, right? So positive, negative. You know how to identify is this a series clipper? So if diode is in series with the load, then that type of clipper is called as series clipper. Input signal is having a positive signal from 0 to T by 2, negative half, that is from T by 2 to T. Okay, during positive half signal, during positive half from 0 to T by 2. Okay, during positive half, here positive peak is giving to positive terminal of the diode, right? Then diode is going to be forward bias condition. When it is in forward bias condition, it's like a closed switch. Okay, if it is in closed switch condition, obviously it is allowing the current or voltage from input to output side, right? Okay, then we'll go for output waveform. Okay, 0, T by 2, 2T, 3T by 2, like that. During positive half, diode is going to be forward bias condition, closed condition. So it is allowing the current from input, allowing the voltage from input to output side. So whatever input is there, whatever input magnitude is there, then same magnitude is at output side, like this. Right? Next, during negative half from T by 2 to T. During negative half, negative peak is giving to positive terminal of the battery. Obviously, this diode is going to be reverse bias condition. Reverse bias condition means it acts like a open switch. Open switch means this part does not allow the input to output side. So from T by 2 to T, we did not get the output. Right? Next, T to 3T by 2. Again, same input is at a positive peak. During positive half, diode goes to forward bias condition, acts like a closed switch. Obviously, we are getting the output signal. Okay, observe the waveform. Which portion will be clipped off? Which portion is clipped off here? Negative portion. So that is why this type of clipper is called as negative clipper. This diode is in series with the load, so that is why total name is a negative series clipper. Negative series clipper. Now we have to discuss these two conditions also. Okay, this total operation is in these two conditions. V in a greater than or equals to 0. V in greater than or equals to 0 means above the 0, above the reference voltage, above the reference line, that is which means a positive peak. We know during positive peak, during positive signal, diode is going to be forward bias condition, acts like a closed switch. Right? So if it is in closed switch, obviously allows the input to output side. So V0 is equals to as it is a input signal. Next, V in a less than to 0. Less than to 0 means below the reference voltage, below the origin. Below the origin means a negative peak. So during negative half, diode is going to be reverse bias condition, acts like a open circuit, acts like a open circuit. Obviously, if it is in open condition, it does not allow the input to output side. So obviously V0 is equals to 0. Okay. So this is what about a negative series clipper.